Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we are going to make a very popular gin cocktail. It's called Gin Bramble. It's really easy to make, 4 ingredients only, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. So, to make a Gin Bramble, we need gin, Chambord, simple syrup and lemon juice. There's a lot of different recipes, some call for crushed ice, some call for normal ice, different volumes of these ingredients, but today we're going to use one of the more popular recipes. So first we're going to start with gin, 45 mils. Pour that into our shaker. I've already measured simple syrup and lemon juice to make things a little bit quicker. So next up is lemon juice, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Followed by simple syrup, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Now we're going to add ice into our shaker and shake the ingredients. Shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now fill your old-fashioned glass with ice. And strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Now we're going to measure 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of Chambord and add that into our drink. That's it. Now we're going to garnish it with lemon twist, just a small piece. And just put that over here. Ladies and gentlemen, Gin Bramble. Cheers! Lovely combination of sweet and sour. You can taste the lemon, you can taste the Chambord. I can't taste gin, but that's not so bad, isn't it? So, this is a really tasty cocktail. Well, ladies and gents, that's a Gin Bramble. Really easy to make, 4 ingredients only. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Try it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, share. Your support means everything, like always. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.